Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a hair weave business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a hair weave business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Human hair is in high demand for extensions, braids, custom wigs, and hair pieces. Because human hair is a valuable commodity with widespread application, learning how to start a business selling human hair for weaving can be a lucrative venture. This hair is preferable to synthetic hair blends because it looks more organic and is more customizable, as it can be heat styled without causing damage. If you want to become a human hair supplier, there are a few things you should think about before starting your business. Step 1. Conduct product research. To better serve your customers, learn about weaving and the various types of human hair available, as well as the differences between synthetic and human hair weaves. If someone wants to buy a 16-inch Remy hair weft, you don't want to give her an 18-inch bulk bag of European hair because you don't know the difference. You must also be able to advise customers on which hair is best suited for various types of extensions, wigs, and braids. To learn everything you can about the products you intend to sell, read cosmetology and haircare books, consult with licensed hairstylists, and browse internet haircare forums. Step 2. Select a location. You can open a physical retail store, an e-commerce store, or become a flea market vendor. If you intend to operate solely online and do not intend to open a physical store, you will also need to secure storage space that is free of dirt, dust, and pets. A warehouse or commercial storage facility are options, but you can also store items in a spare garage or closet using inexpensive, airtight storage containers. Human hair can be hung up or flattened. You will not damage it as long as it is not bent or twisted. Step 3. Establish wholesale accounts. Set up wholesale accounts with human hair manufacturers and brands such as Boheim, Milky Way, and Saga. Because most human hair for weaving is gathered and produced in Asia, you will most likely have to work directly with international manufacturers rather than a distributor in the United States to get the best prices. Step 4. Provide incentives to customers. Thousands of beauty supply stores sell a wide variety of human hair across the country. You must give people a reason to choose your company over the competition. Step 5. Offer accessory supplies for sale. To increase your profits, sell items that are commonly used in the weaving of human hair, such as bonding glue, hair razors, and weaving needles. Because your customers are likely to require these items, why pass up the opportunity to earn extra cash? Many human hair distributors also sell wholesale weaving supplies. Step 6. Provide discounts to returning customers. To increase repeat business, offer discounts to salon professionals and cosmetology students. Such customers are extremely valuable, and you will easily recoup the cost of the discount because they typically purchase more hair at a time than regular customers. The discount you provide should be between 20% and 35% off the retail price, depending on what is typical in your area. Step 7. Market your company. If you have a physical store, make a name for yourself in your community by organizing or sponsoring a hair show, fashion show, or other related event. You can also donate hair or supplies to assist in the creation of custom wigs for people who have lost their hair as a result of alopecia or cancer. This will give you a personal sense of accomplishment and may lead to media coverage. If you sell human hair products online, create and maintain social media accounts, start a blog with hairstyling tips, or place ads on forums and websites frequented by your target customers. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a hair weave business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.